Once we've set up a short, let's use it. I'm going to show you this Trim Extend Multiple Elements tool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some walls like this. And I want all these walls to just finish in line with that wall. So I'm going to hit TM, which is the shortcut that I just set up, click on my wall, and now I can drag the walls that I want. And maybe I could just click on another one, so you can either drag or click individually and it will extend the walls to the endpoint that you want. What's really great about this command is that even if we've got walls which aren't going to intersect with this wall, watch what happens. Click on my master, select the slaves, and they'll still end up in line with that wall. Very, very handy tool.